So in the last class, we studied up to this, what is the natural fibers, right?
Yes, sir.
About the different types of natural fibers which are getting from the plants and animal source. About the tabular column, classification chart, and all we studied in the last class. So about the cotton, jute, next one is the silk, wool, all these things we studied in the last class.
Yes.
What about the artificial fiber? We started about the nylon, rayon.
Yeah.
Whether we studied about the artificial fibers, nylon and rayon.
Yes, sir.
Started or not? Okay. About the yarn twisting. I think you have seen some video on the spinning also in the last class.
Yes, sir.
Right? The fiber yarn. Is it in the last class? Is it your class only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is this first instrument name? There is a rod like, sorry, wooden stick is there. Along with the one end, there is circular path is there. What is this name?
Sir,
Hand. What's the name?
hand spindle.
Next one is, what is this?
Sir, Charka.
Weaving, also, right?
Today, sir, your voice is very low. No. Sir, it's going low, sir. Then it's going very high. Sir, then it's breaking, sir. I cannot hear you. Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very low, sir. Yes, sir. Very low. And it's breaking, coming higher and lower and higher. We can't hear.
No, now is it clear?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, we can hear you, but it's very low, sir. Sir, it's not clear, sir. It's not clear.
Not clear.
Sir, we can't even hear you, sir. You said.
Right now it's clear.
Sir, we can't. Sir, your voice is coming, but yeah. Sir.
So next we'll start about the artificial fibers, that is the synthetic fibers or the man-made fibers.
So chemical.
Okay, which are prepared with the help of the chemicals.
Sir, didn't
So
we already study that yesterday? I mean, last class.
I think we have studied only about the rayon, nylon, right?
Yes, sir. Rayon and nylon.
And
Yes,
the spinning.
sir.
And you have seen the video also on this spinning.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the meaning of ginning?
Sir, removing the seeds from the cotton plant. Yes, sir.
Removal of the seeds from the cotton plant is called as ginning.
Yes.
Removal of the
Yes,
seeds
sir.
from the cotton fiber is called as ginning.
Yes.
And weaving also we have done in the last class. We have seen that handloom
Sir,
industry
weaving
is
and
very low.
knitting. Sir,
Yeah.
you said next class will you see? Sir, can you once scroll up?
I think
Sir,
we have done all the things.
Sir, can you scroll up once? Up.
Yeah.
Sir, more up, sir.
Sorry. Removal of?
Sir, you showed one picture, right? Some green tubes. Spinning, sir. You told you saw video on spinning. Which?
No, you have seen the spinning in the last class itself, right?
Sir, once can you scroll? Ah, this one, sir. You said you'll show a video about this.
Yeah, we have seen the Manual spinning machine, right? In the last class, with the help of chakra.
Yes,
The
sir.
women are rotating the chakra so that it's converting from fiber to the fabrics.
Yes, sir, we saw chakra, sir.
Yeah. Still, if you have doubts, na, I didn't find the video actually. I'll check it and I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So still, we came up to this part. So what are the different environmental conditions important for the growth of the cotton? The first one is the soil. So in which soil the cotton will grow?
Sir, black soil.
Black soil.
Black soil.
The black soil is the best soil for the cotton to grow, right?
Yes, sir.
So in which areas the black soil is present in India?
Sir,
Sir, in
yes,
Maharashtra,
sir.
Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and Madhya Pradesh.
Good. Mostly the black soil is present in the areas like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and the Madhya Pradesh, or you can say Deccan Plateau. So in these
Yes, sir.
two plateaus, what are the two plateau names? Deccan Plateau and the Malwa Plateau. In these two plateaus, the black soil is present. So black soil is the best soil to grow the cotton. Okay. So
Sir?
India has a history in the growth of cotton. From the before the independence only, India is producing the fine quality of the cotton, right? You can see
Yes,
the
sir.
Mahatma Gandhi's handlooms cloth with the help of the cotton.
Sir?
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, what is special about
What is special about
black soil?
black soil? Retain the moisture, right? If you take black soil, it will retain the moisture.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. If you take other soils, and they will not retain the moisture. But black soil will retain the moisture for some days. Okay. And
Okay,
not
sir.
only in the black soil, cotton also grows well in the alluvial soil also. So alluvial soil is also fine for the growth of the cotton, which is available in the Ganga basin. That means in the region of the Ganga, it is available. So these are the most common states in India in which cotton will grows mostly. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and the Madhya Pradesh. You can see the image here. I think you gave the homework in the last class.
No, sir. Yesterday you didn't give, sir, actually.
No,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I
Sir,
gave. I said write the 5 different names of the fibers.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I was absent last class, sir.
I given homework like write the 5 different types of the natural fibers and the artificial fibers present in your home cloths.
sir, no, sir. Of knitting of and weaving, right, sir?
No, this homework I didn't give it to you.
Sir, no, sir. You gave the homework like knitting and weaving, sir.
Knitting and weaving.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the homework then? Have you done the homework or not?
Sir, what was the homework?
About the knitting and the weaving process.
Uh,
No. From the next class onwards, first I'll check the homework only, okay? Whatever the pending homeworks are there.
Sir, can you tell today's homework?
So today's homework is find out the 5 different types of cloth.
Five different.
Okay?
Cloth
In
is
your
like
home itself.
cotton, this thing.
Yeah, fabrics. Suppose you take 10 different fabrics
Sir,
from your home.
cloth.
No, I'll tell you, listen carefully. Take 10 different cloth or the fabrics from your home and find out whether it is a natural one or the artificial one. Like if you take the door curtain, is it the natural product or the
Sir, so
artificial
how should
fiber?
we show it, sir? Like,
No, just you write down the 10 different types of fabrics in the book. What are the 10 different types of fabrics like a door curtain or the window curtains, sofa sheets or the
so
pillows,
what, sir? Can you
beds?
repeat again homework?
Select any 10 different fabrics in your home and find out the source, whether it is
Sir,
coming from the natural source or the artificial source.
Sir, I actually asked you because, sir, there is very low connection over here, sir, and at any time, sir, I can
Yes, sir.
leave, sir. It will automatically leave for me.
Okay, okay. Clear, homework is clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next one is so cotton is best grown in what type of soil?
Sir, black soil.
Cotton is
Sir,
best grown in the black
black
soil
soil.
and the alluvial soil. Okay, next one, what is the climatic conditions? What is the climatic conditions required for the growth of cotton?
Sir, 21 degrees Celsius, sir. And 227 degrees. Sir, 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius.
The cotton plant needs plenty of sunshine. Okay, the next one, preferably mild, cool, and the dry climate with the temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to the 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in these conditions only it can grow healthily and will give the more productive from each plant. So warm days and the cool nights are good for the development and the fruit of the cotton crop. And the rainfall also should be minimum only, or you can take average rainfall. 60 to 80 centimeters only rainfall should be there in the given region. If it's having a huge amount of rainfall also, it will affect the cultivation of the cotton. Even if you're having a very low amount of rainfall also, the plants will not grow healthy. So there should be average rainfall of 60 to 80 centimeters per year. And there should be no excessive rains. There is no stagnant water. What is the meaning of stagnant water? What is the meaning of stagnant water? Hmm?
Sir, which is the water which is accumulated from long.
The water which is accumulated for the longer time is called as stagnant water, right?
Sir, means it is very still, sir, and it will not like flow.
Mm. So due to the stagnant water, what type of disease will cause? The mosquitoes will grow, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the mosquitoes will grow now, what will happen?
Sir, then we'll get like,
Either we'll get the malaria or the
let's say,
dengue or the dengue or such type of disease. Fevers will get it, right? So we should not create any stagnant water near our areas, living areas. And for the cotton cultivation also, there should be no stagnant water. There should be always warm days should be there for the bursting of the cotton fruit or the cotton balls, and there should be normal temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to the 27 degrees Celsius, and the rainfall also should be normal, like 60 degrees centimeter to 80 centimeters. Okay.
yes,
Have you seen
sir.
the cotton farm anywhere near your area?
Sir, no, sir.
Have you seen the cotton farms?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, palm, sir. Sir, what?
Yeah, cotton fields.
No,
If you
sir.
go for the agriculture area, you can see the cotton fields. What about that? Rex? No response?
Sir, I couldn't hear you, sir.
Just you can see the picture here. Can you see the picture here?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute.
Still loading. PHB. Okay. Sir, it's stuck, sir. We cannot see.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
It's stuck, sir.
Wait.
Sir, it's still
Now can you
stuck.
see the image?
No, sir. It's still stuck.
Now?
Yes, sir. We can see.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the cotton field.
Yes,
How it is
sir. I
looking
saw it.
after the balls of the cotton burst. So if
In
you see
my
one
village as
plant
well.
itself, this is the cotton coming out of the cotton balls. Okay, we'll see one
Okay,
video
sir.
on this. Don't worry. After this topic, then what is the planting season for the cotton? What is the planting season? So when will plant the cotton crop? Before the onset of monsoon.
It's
So before the onset of monsoon means what? In the month of May or the June, we'll keep the seeds of the cotton plant in the agriculture area. So during the rainy season, what will happen? The plant will start growing, right? So after the rainy season, the fruits will start bursting. So that afterwards it will come like this. You can see the cotton field here.
Sir, they use like a cotton harvester also to harvest it, right, sir?
Yeah, in the foreign countries they'll use a cotton harvester, but mostly in
But
India we'll use the manual labor only
yes,
to cut
sir,
the
that will
cotton.
take like so long, right, sir? But picking
Yeah, it will
it's
take so long because India is a agriculture based country, right? Most of the population will
yes, sir.
depend upon the agriculture itself.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So they will use the manual labors to take out the cotton from these cotton balls. So this is a cotton ball. You can see how it is looking here.
yes, sir.
You see here clearly.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can.
sir.
So this is a one cotton ball. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is only one cotton ball you can see here. This is a complete cotton fields. And this is also same. So how it is looking? Like
Yes,
a
sir.
clouds,
I
right?
see.
Completely pure white.
Yes, sir. In village also.
Imagine how this field will looks in the winter season while snow is falling on it.
Sir, it will be
Is it
like
beautiful or
full
not?
full white, sir, everything.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you get the chance, you just go and visit these cotton fields, okay?
Okay,
During
sir.
the month of December like that. Because at that time only the cotton balls will burst.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So planting season is what? Just the cotton plants will start. So we'll keep the seeds of the cotton plant before the onset of monsoon. Onset of monsoon is done during the month of June. So before June, we'll start this planting of this cotton crops. So you can get the cotton after 6 months. Almost 6 months it will take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next one, cultivation. So cotton plants are bushy and grow almost 1 to 2 meters tall itself. So cotton plants are bushy type structure and will grow 1 to 2 meters tall. The plants start flowering in about 60 days and gives whitish yellow flowers. So once you place the seed, after the 60 days, the plant will grow and will start giving the flowers. So this is the first stage of the cotton flower. How it is looking like? Somewhat white in color and the yellowish in color.
Yes,
Whitish
sir. Yellow
yellow.
and
Okay.
sir, it's like a light yellow.
Yeah. Afterwards, what will happen? The flowers turns reddish into the few days. Again, the flower slowly grows into the spherical walnut-like structure. These are called as cotton balls.
Yes,
So
sir.
generally, from which part of the plant will get the cotton? Which part of the cotton plant will get the cotton?
Cotton balls.
But sir,
From the cotton balls only will get the cotton. Right?
sir, our
Sir,
cotton
from the
balls
fruit, sir.
but
Hmm. Cotton balls?
sir, sir, our cotton balls but sir,
Yeah, it will burst during the warm climate.
no, sir, my doubt is are the buds BUDS?
Sir, what is that like stem-like structure called?
Wait. Buds means initial stage it is like a bud. So before growing up the flower, it is in the shape of bud. From the bud steps to the it will go into the flower stage. From flower it will goes into the cotton ball shape.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
If you see
Sir,
the rose flower, first initially small bud will come, right?
you. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
After that, what 1 or 2 days, the bud will become the flower. But in this case, the bud will become the flower, flower will become the ball. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the height of the cotton plant?
Sir, 1 to 2 meters tall. Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, Siddharth.
Sir, can you scroll a little bit down? Sir, down, sir, down.
Okay.
Sir, what is that like stem-like structure called?
See, there's the stem-like portion is there, right? Which is connected to the.
Cotton
This is
balls.
not the actually stem.
No, sir,
Okay.
not that, sir. Above picture, that brown like stick kind of thing.
These are the sides of this cotton fruit. There is some leaves are there, right?
Sir, leaves, sir.
Yeah, it's not exactly leaves. You can say sepals in the case of flowers. Okay. So if you take this as a fruit, this side green color part is there, right? This green color part only converting into this brown color.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So after some days, green color bonds turn to brown. You can see here.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, at maturity, the cotton balls burst open and the cream colored fluffy fiber can be seen. Yeah.
Sir, does the green part dry and become brown, sir?
Yeah, this green color path is there around the cotton ball, right? You can
Yes,
see here.
sir.
That only becomes the dry and become the brown color. Whatever the green color part you can see here around the white color path. That
Yes,
only
sir.
become dry and becomes the brown color.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's about the cultivation of the cotton. Just wait a minute. We'll see any video on this.
Sir, now?
Now can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the life cycle of the cotton plant. Can you hear the sound?
Yes, sir. It's just wind.
Just wait. What is now?
Sir, we can hear only wind, sir.
So this is the instant cotton plant during the growing stage.
Sir, that's the flower, sir.
Yeah, we'll go. We'll state. So this is how it will looks during the growth stage of the cotton plant.
Yes, sir. You cannot even see cotton anything.
Hmm. See, now you can see here, right?
Yes, sir. That's
You can see here buds,
Yes, sir.
the cotton flower.
Yes, sir.
See here. So that is the cotton flower. And that I think so. Some. Who is this?
Sir, what is that green thing, sir?
You have to tell.
Like animal.
Caterpillar.
Hmm.
Caterpillar.
It's not the caterpillar. Some insect.
Ah.
Earthworm.
Sir, do these contain nectar?
Now can you see the small birds here?
Yes, sir. Like it's like a walnut shape.
Yes, sir.
Dipti.
Yes, sir.
So these small buds only grows into the flower.
Okay.
Now can you see clearly the small bud? So slowly the small bud grows into the flower with different stages. First whitish yellow will come, then it will become a little red.
Sir, I saw one cotton ball, sir. Sir, some of them already
From
grew,
me
sir.
too.
Yeah, now this is a cotton ball.
It's
Yeah.
left side one of the.
Sir, but it didn't come
It
out
didn't
of the.
burst. Yeah, now you
Yes,
can see
sir.
below here. This is one cotton ball already bursted here. You can see this
Yes,
one.
sir.
If you take the above cotton ball, that
Yes.
didn't burst properly. But if you take, okay, this is the clear picture here. If you take this cotton ball, it didn't burst. Okay, but if you take the right side part,
Sir, it busted, sir.
it